guys, happy Sunday and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be setting up the Cozyla digital calendar for my mom as a Christmas gift, and I am so excited about this because this is something that she definitely needs. She always has so many appointments, family things, events. Her calendar just gets so full and overcrowded that she literally ends up having to clip things onto the sides of it because she runs out of room. And because I already have a smart calendar myself, I know this is something that she will actually get a lot of use out of and really enjoy, and not just some techie thing that kind of just sits around. My mom is extremely organized, but she still uses an old school paper calendar. She regularly has to rewrite things when plans change or something new gets added to her day, and she always has to be at home to know what's on her calendar and check it, which can end up being really difficult because she's literally always out running errands or just helping everyone out. When Cozyla reached out to partner with me this week, I was so excited because I knew that this would be the perfect smart digital calendar for her that's super user-friendly and intuitive and something that she could really actually use on a daily basis. The Cozyla digital calendar is really amazing because it's very visual and familiar, kind of like a big wall calendar, but it adds a lot of structure and organization without adding extra stress. And it actually has a lot of similarities to your smartphone, so it's very easy to adapt to and figure out, which is going to be perfect for teaching my mom how to use it. Okay, so let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the 32-inch Cozyla digital calendar, and the screen size is honestly perfect. It's big enough to see from across the room, which definitely matters, especially for a shared household calendar. Everything you need is in the box, and it already feels like a really solid, high-quality gift. And just from looking at it, I can tell it's going to be really simple to assemble and get started. Not to mention, with the screen being 32 inches, she'll be able to watch videos, listen to audiobooks, follow along with recipes, or even FaceTime while she's doing other things around the house. And this digital calendar can either be attached to your wall on a rotating mount, or you can get the rolling stand with a battery built into the base. She's going to be able to move it from room to room wherever she needs without much effort at all. Okay, so we have our Cozyla digital calendar all set up. It was surprisingly easy to set up. All you have to do is put it together, which really just takes a few minutes, and then plug it in so that the base can start charging, and connect it to your Wi-Fi and you're good to go. It already comes pre-populated with all of the templates that you could need. You can sync it to your existing calendars like Google Calendar, which is huge for my mom because I can already connect her Google Calendar and have it ready to go. So everything just syncs from her phone to the Cozyla calendar. I really love this feature because it means that she's not going to have to rewrite things like she does on her paper calendar. She's never going to forget because she has it at home and on her phone. She's never going to have to worry about double booking or not being sure if she has something already at that time, because all of it is very clear and easy for her to access. So this is the main calendar view, and this is where she's going to be the most. You're able to switch a lot of the features on this and make it really customized, and you can do daily view for really busy days so it's all laid out and ready to go. You can also do weekly view so that you can see everything at once, or if you want to start to plan ahead or see what you have down the road, you can do monthly view and see your entire month laid out. And you can even color code it for each person in your household. So I added in my mom and my dad, and my mom is purple, and then my dad will be green. You're also able to add events. You can add a little description and notes if you want to. It's just really easy to adjust everything and make changes. And what I love most about this is that it's always visible. You never have to pull out your phone or flip through a bunch of pages in your calendar. All you have to do is just glance at your Cozyla calendar and you're able to see what your entire day holds very easily. Plus, being able to color code it means that she can coordinate plans with my dad, or she can even have a section for grandkids if she wants to, so that she can make sure all of her activities and things that she's committed to are super organized and she knows who she's doing things for based on the color. Something else that I absolutely love about this calendar is that it's super mobile because it's on this stand. She can move it from room to room in the house as she is doing different activities and needs different things. I think that this calendar has a lot of really amazing features. One of the ones that I love the most is the meal planning feature. The Cozyla calendar has an entire meal planning feature with tons and tons of recipes. You can plan meals for specific days. You can see what's coming up throughout your week or your day. Because it's all laid out very clearly, you don't have to have that daily conversation of what are we having for dinner. It makes it super easy for you to plan ahead. And my mom cooks every single day, and she does tons of get-togethers for holidays and family celebrations. Being able to plan out meals is really big for her, especially this time of year when everyone is coming over. It's going to make it a lot easier for her to have everything organized, super streamlined, so that she doesn't have to have a million pieces of paper of the things that she's going to be making. So you have tons of options and you are never going to run out of ideas for what to cook. You can also import a recipe. So if you have a recipe card or a family recipe that's been passed down, you can take a picture of it, put a little URL in, and it will automatically add that recipe to your recipe section so that you never have to search for it again or risk losing it. And then on top of that, you can also create a recipe where you can just put all the information in just like you would if you were writing it down. And even put a photo of it and then just press done and you're good to go. It really makes it super easy for you to keep track of everything. And especially for someone who cooks a lot or a mom, this is a huge feature to be able to have all of that in one place. I also absolutely love that the recipes are so clear and easy to follow. So if you pull up the recipe that you want to have for that day, you are able to follow along with the ingredients that you need, the recipe written out, and it has videos. So you can actually pull up YouTube recipes right here on the screen. They're already ready to go. This is honestly so perfect for cooking and for a busy household because you don't have to touch your phone or have a recipe book out. You don't have to pause and replay everything. It's all just right here and easy for you to follow along with. And this is a feature that I really love because I'm a huge recipe person. I always end up having to scroll through the recipe on my phone with dirty hands from cooking, and it absolutely drives me insane. So this makes it so that I don't have to do any of that, and the recipe is super clear and easy to follow along with. I also really love the feature that they've added, Cozy AI, which is something that helps with ideas and planning. And you'll see it in pretty much all of the apps and features that pop up. It's this little star icon right here. It's really great for meal inspiration, for organizing tasks, adding things to your calendar or your to-do list, just making decisions easier overall.
I'm here to help you plan and create household chores and make it a little fun. Try saying, add a daily laundry chore for, number saying.
Add a daily laundry chore for Paul.
Here's a preview of the chores. Got it. The chores all set.
There's also a mobile app. My mom can add things while she's out and they show up instantly on her calendar. She can also add things in the Cozyla app. She'll be able to see tasks, routines, grocery items, all of those things back on her calendar when she gets home. Everything stays synced, which means nothing gets missed. Plus, the Cozyla calendar is completely subscription free, so once you have the calendar, you don't have to pay to use the app or any of its features. So this is where it really starts to feel like more than just a calendar. You can add tasks and chores, which is really great for just everyday life stuff, but also for big events. This is a feature that's really cool if you are a family, if you have kids, or multiple people in your household, because you can really organize who's going to do what and make sure that it all gets accomplished. Things like call the doctor, make your bed, do your workout, walk the dog, all those types of things can be added in here and separated based on the different users in your home. And once something's done, you just check it off, which gives you that satisfying feeling of crossing something off your list. And there's also a rewards feature, which I really love because I like to have little rewards and things to motivate me, and I think it's really great for anyone in your household as well. And you can set up simple rewards for completing tasks or chores, and for every task or chore you can put a point number to it that you choose, so it's totally customizable. For example, make the bed right here would be 5 points, so 5 points was just added to my dad's section. Or walking the dog is 4 points. So once that's done, my mom will get 4 points added. And this is a really great feature, especially for her, because if she wants to set this up for my niece when she gets a little bit older, it's a really fun reward system that she can do with her, and it just makes household chores a little bit more fun. Or you can just use it as motivation for yourself. So in the reward section, you can choose what your rewards would be. So all you would have to do is add a reward, type in what you want it to be. So let's say dinner date. that could be a reward. And then you'll add a little icon. So we'll put the little Chinese food box. You can put how many stars it requires. And if you're a parent doing this for your kids, you can choose if they need parent approval and write a little description so that they know what they would be getting in the reward. So the more I set this up, the more that I knew it was the perfect gift for my mom. She already really loves using her calendar. She gets a new one every single year. She just needed a calendar that could keep up with how busy her life is. Everything now has a really clear place to live. And because I already use a smart calendar myself, I knew how much of a difference it makes when your tasks, meals, calendar, and lists are all in one place. It takes so much mental load off, and it just makes you feel calmer and more organized. So if you're looking to get organized in the new year, or you just want to simplify your daily life or manage your family routines better, then I would definitely recommend checking out Cozyla's digital calendar. There are so many incredible features on this calendar that I haven't seen on any other calendar that really make a difference in your day and just making things so much easier in your life. I'll link all that information in the description box for you guys if you want to check them out. And don't forget to leave me a comment letting me know what you thought of this video and what you think of the Cozyla calendar. And if you're going to get one yourself, definitely let me know, because I love hearing what you guys do with the calendar and how you use it in your life. And make sure to like and subscribe so that YouTube shows you more of my videos. I have new videos every Sunday. And a big thank you to Cozyla for partnering with me this week. I am so excited to gift this to my mom. I think she's going to absolutely love it and use it every single day. I've had so much fun setting it up, and it's just got all the features that she is going to use regularly. So I just know she's gonna love it. And thank you guys so much for watching and setting up this Christmas gift with me today, and I will see you on Sunday.